As an example, if you are a thought leadership based organization and you're storing things outside of physical environments, how do you know that those things aren't exfiltrating the organization if you have nothing in place to help you with that data leak protection? How do you know that shadow AI is not happening for you? Right? It's a question, right? So maybe somebody can enlighten me a little bit. What do you think, Dave?
Yeah, I think the new threats are coming in areas that people don't understand right now. Everybody's using note-taking devices like Plod and things like that, which is a device you hook up on your phone and you record a conversation. It takes notes for you. Pretty good for productivity aspects, but if you're dealing with PII information, you're dealing with confidential information, you're dealing with things you don't need to work. There has to be certain rules and restrictions that are around that. Your ability to deal with different data assets. People are taking databases right now, figuring if they can access the database, generating the SQL code via some AI engine to pull the information that they need. And they're able to bypass many of the security parameters because they weren't put there because people who were running Excel weren't going to be throwing SQL at the database. When I've seen that happen a few times. So, and the reality is that their heart's in the right place. They're trying to be more productive. Just like we use AI every day, help us write invoices and contracts, things like that. And they're trying to basically do the same thing. They're trying to leverage as a force multiplier for their jobs. Good for them, but there has to be certain policies and procedures around there, both passive and active, and to make sure they're not running away with the goods.